Holy sh! Hey guys, so we're going to be putting a new light bar and pod filter on my Colorado today. It's got an aftermarket intake and snorkel, but the pod filter that's been in there has probably been in there for about 50,000 Ks, maybe 40,000 Ks. I thought it was probably worth replacing. And then I also just brought out new light bars of my own products. So my light bar that's on my car has actually failed. It's not working anymore, so I thought perfect timing to chuck one of my own up there and show you guys what they're like. They're a lot more slimline than the one that's on there, not as heavy and bulky, which I thought was quite good, and they're meant to be super high quality, so I'm really looking forward to testing them out, and hopefully they're actually as good as what I've paid for. These things cost me a lot of money. The markup on them is very, very small, but I didn't want to outprice myself in the market as far as light bars, so hopefully they're sitting around the right price and I can still make a few bucks on them. Yeah, anyway, let's get into it.
Now on the day I was born, the nurses all gathered round, and they gazed in wide wonder at the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. I broke 1,000 hearts before I met you. I'll break 1,000 more, baby, before I am through. I wanna be yours, pretty baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, that I'm bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. Rich woman beg, and I make a good woman steal. I make an old woman blush, and I make a young girl squeal. I wanna be yours, pretty baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, that I'm bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. Kings and queens step aside. Every woman I meet, they all stay satisfied. I wanna tell you, pretty baby, what I see I'll make my own. And I'm here to tell you, honey, that I'm bad to the bone. fast. Fast. Woo! Land of the fall.
Holy shit, it's actually very bright. Interesting to see what that's like at night time. It's obviously still daytime here, and that's bright. Turn that on, not put my lights on. Fuck no, I can't stare at that, Jesus. That's very, very bright. Holy shit. I cannot even look at that. Oh, that's pretty exciting. Well, yeah, this is one of my new products, this light bar, so the fact that it's that bright is really, really exciting for me. I'll be interested to see how bright it is at night time, and if you're interested to see how bright it is at night time, you'll have to watch my YouTube stories, because one of these nights, either tonight or tomorrow night, I'll take a video of this at night time to show you how bright it is and post it on the story.